Join me as I dive into the science behind black holes and see if I can figure out a way to survive entering one. Black holes have always been a source of fascination for many of us, and it's easy to see why. These regions of spacetime where gravity is so strong that not even light can escape are shrouded in mystery, and often, misconceptions. From sci-fi movies to everyday conversations, black holes are frequently romanticized as portals to other dimensions or gateways to the unknown. But the truth is, they're far more complex and deadly than we often give them credit for. The central challenge of surviving a journey into a black hole lies in the extreme conditions that come with approaching one. The gravity is so intense that it warps the fabric of spacetime in ways that are difficult to wrap your head around. As you approach the event horizon, the point of no return, the gravity gets stronger and stronger, eventually reaching a point where it's impossible to escape. It's like being on a treadmill that's constantly accelerating. No matter how fast you run, you'll never be able to outrun the gravity. The gravity of a black hole is so strong because of its incredibly high density. Imagine squeezing the mass of an entire star into a singularity, a point of zero volume and infinite density. That's what's at the center of a black hole, and it's what gives it its incredible gravitational pull. As you get closer to the event horizon, the gravity becomes stronger and stronger, eventually reaching a point where it's impossible to resist. But what really gets interesting is when we start talking about the effects of gravity on time and space. According to Einstein's theory of general relativity, gravity warps spacetime, causing time to slow down near massive objects. This effect, known as gravitational time dilation, becomes more and more pronounced as you approach the event horizon. Imagine being stuck in a time loop, reliving the same few seconds over and over again as time appears to slow down around you. The concept of singularities is another mind-bending aspect of black holes. A singularity is a point where the laws of physics as we know them break down. It's a point where the curvature of spacetime is infinite, and the gravity is so strong that it becomes impossible to predict what happens next. It's like hitting a wall. Our current understanding of physics simply can't handle the extreme conditions found at the center of a black hole. As you cross the event horizon, the point of no return, you're essentially sealed in a cosmic tomb. The gravity is so strong that it begins to stretch and compress you in the direction of the gravity, a phenomenon known as spaghettification. It's a grim fate, and one that's impossible to escape. The event horizon marks the boundary beyond which nothing, not even light, can escape the gravity of the black hole. The point of no return is exactly that. Once you cross the event horizon, you're trapped forever. The gravity becomes so strong that it warps spacetime in extreme ways, creating a region known as the ergosphere. This is a region where the rotation of the black hole creates a kind of cosmic whirlpool, pulling everything towards the singularity at its center. As you approach the singularity, the gravity becomes so strong that it starts to warp spacetime in extreme ways. The fabric of spacetime becomes distorted, creating strange and unpredictable effects. It's like being in a cosmic washing machine, with the gravity churning and twisting you in every direction. The most crucial insight about black holes is that once you cross the event horizon, there's no turning back. It's a one-way ticket to the center of the black hole, where you'll be crushed out of existence by the infinite gravity. In summary, black holes are not portals to other dimensions or gateways to the unknown. They're cosmic monsters that will crush anything that dares to venture too close. The extreme gravity, intense heat, and strange effects of spacetime make it impossible for anything, including us, to survive a journey into a black hole. So, what do you guys think about black holes? Have you ever wondered what it would be like to venture into one? Let me know in the comments. And if you're interested in learning more about the wonders of space, be sure to check out our video on neutron stars. It's a doozy.